13378 Cedar Road in Cleveland Heights, Ohio. Still got to clean up that board there. Waiting on our porch permit to tear this thing off and put something a whole lot smaller on. Overall roof is in great shape. Around the side of the house. Nice porch off the back. Gutters and downspouts are in good shape. And it does have a nice one-car garage. Tires will be removed. Let's go look on the inside. And then enter in from the side. Basement. Enter into the kitchen. Obviously, we still got some cleaning up to do. There's a new drawer there. There's a half bath here. Just needs to be re-drywalled. Tile floor is in good shape. We did have a flood, and that's why all the drywall is cut up. So the drywall will be fixed. New LVP flooring throughout the main level. Big living room, gas fireplace, back to the kitchen, and out to the front door. Going upstairs. We're going to try to save these hardwood floors, but we're not sure yet. And a big bathroom. This was part of our flood issue. That blew off. New vanity. Shower's in good shape. There's our porch. We saw from out back. Rounding out the main level. Linen closet. Bedroom number 1. Lots of natural light. Ceiling fan. Good sized closet. Bedroom number 2. I think it's actually the largest of the bedrooms. Good sized closet. Bedroom number 3. Need to put new blades on this fan. Those are a little saggy. And let's head up to the top level. Going up the stairs to bedroom 4. Large space. And has a nice sized closet.